Ikinagalit ni Senate President at Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile ang biglaang paglabas ni Chief Justice Renato Corona sa impeachment trial kahapon. Iginagalang daw ni Enrile ang institusyong kinakatawan ni Corona, kaya't nararapat lang daw na irespeto rin ng punong maestrado ang institusyong pinamumunuan ni Enrile. Balitang hatid ni Sherry Ann Torres.
Kung hindi sila papayag sa hamong ito, bibigyan ko po ng direktiba ang aking defense panel na i-rest na po ang aking depensa. Total, wala naman silang napatunayang paratang laban sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Pagpalain po tayo ng buong may kapal. And now, the Chief Justice of the Republic of the Philippines wishes to be excused.
If Your Honor, please. The Chief Justice, as respondent in this case, had been on the witness stand and testified for more than 3 hours.
Wait a minute. He's not been discharged.
No, I'm not discharging him. I'm making a manifestation.
Ikinagulat ng lahat sa session hall ng Senado ang biglang paglabas ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Ilang sandali lang matapos ibato ang hamon sa ilang mambabatas na pumirma rin ng waiver gaya ng pinirmahan niya para pahintulutan ng pagbubukas ng kanyang dollar accounts. Mismong ang defense panel hindi inasahan ang pag-alis ng kanilang kliyente sa session hall, lalo't hindi naman dinischarge ng korte ang punong maestrado mula sa witness stand.
Mr. Counsel, is the Chief Justice coming back?
I was told, Your Honor, a while ago. I do not know how to... sorry.
Nobody can get out of this Senate. If you are going to do this disrespect in this court will make a decision of this case right now.
May I be permitted, Your Honor, to check up on his whereabouts?
All right, session suspended for 1 minute.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Agad na ipinasara ni Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile ang buong gusali ng Senado at inutusan ng Senate Sergeant at Arms na harangin kung magtatangkang umalis si Corona. Sa hallway papuntang Senator's Lounge, natagpuan namin si Corona na nakaupo. Pinalilibutan ng asawang si Cristina, anak na sina Carla at Francis at ilan pang kasama. Si Cuevas at iba pang miyembro ng depensa, hindi maitago ang pagkataranta sa nangyayari.
Hindi niya alam nangyari.
Nagmamanifestation ako nung lumabas eh.
Maya-maya pa, isinakay si Corona sa wheelchair, binigyan ng canned soft drink at idiniretso sa Senate Clinic. Ang manugang niyan si Dr. Constantino Castillo III, sinabi nagkaroon ng hypoglycemic episode ang diabetic na punong maestrado. Bukod umano sa matinding pagod, hindi rin daw nakapananghalian si Corona.
The reason why he said excuse me right after it is because he didn't want to faint inside the session hall. So, it looks like he has a hypoglycemic episode. We've given him several sugars and a Coke, and he's feeling better.
Habang nasa loob ng clinic, nagpaliwanag din si Attorney Jude Roy.
He can come back tomorrow or whatever. I think the important thing is that the Chief Justice has kept his word. He said he would explain. He's here. And if it's just a matter of taking questions or what, and I think everybody has seen how truthful and straightforward his testimony was.
Bandang alas 6 ng gabi nang bumalik sa session hall si Corona na naka-wheelchair. Wala ng Amerikana at maluwag na ang kurbata. Galit na galit si Senate President at Presiding Officer Juan Ponce Enrile sa ginawa ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Sermon pa niya kay Defense Lead Counsel Serafin Cuevas, hindi niya hahayaan ng sino man na bumasto sa impeachment court ng ganun-ganun na lamang kahit siya pa ang punong maestrado. Todo dispensa naman sa korte si Cuevas. Kasabay ang pangako na bukas, ihaharap nila muli dito sa korte si Corona para ituloy ang kanyang testimonya.
I have high respect for the Chief Justice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I have high respect for the institution that he represents, but I equally demand respect for the institution that I represent. We will give you until tomorrow. You must bring the Chief Justice back for cross-examination. And you know the rule. What he said here is nothing unless he is cross-examined by the opposing counsel. If he will not appear, I will be forced to issue an order to strike out everything he said here from the record, and we will then consider his case submitted for decision.
That shall be done, Your Honor, as directed.
So ordered.
Sherian Torres, GMA News.